Hey guys, it's Annabelle. So welcome to my laundry room. Our basement is not finished. Our laundry is in a nice little corner of our house, and this is our basement, and nobody ever comes down here. We do use it for like our maintenance area, kind of like our extra food storage, pantry wise. Extra stuff that we don't use all the time. We also have our freezers that we keep all of our freezer meals in. We also have like a downstairs like living room that's a little bit more finished than what this is. But this is my laundry room and I love it. It serves its purpose. One day when it is in the budget, we will be upgrading this space. But as for right now, this is what it is. So, my laundry room, I have my washer, I have my dryer, we have trash cans, I've got extra laundry baskets, and then we have our soaking sink, and just some extra stuff. I got my dryer balls, my spot spray, and things like that down here as well. We try to keep things as minimal as possible, and so we take that into consideration when we're doing laundry as well. So we are fortunate enough to have a laundry chute. So all of our clothes come from the first and second floors all the way down here. So how I do laundry is I don't sort anything. Now if it's like towel day or something, I will wash all the towels together. Or if it is like bedding day, then I will wash all of like the sheets together and all of the big blankets together. But on a daily basis, I don't sort. Anything that's in here goes in the wash unless it needs like special care. Here's my little lady gonna help us. You gonna help us? Should we load the dishwasher? Or not the dishwasher, the clothes washer. Okay. Should we load? I know, we just did the dishwasher, didn't we? Now we gotta do laundry. Alrighty, so I just take my basket and we load it into the washer. You gonna help me? You gonna help me? Yeah. Alrighty. So there we go. Okay, and just another thing, I always wash my laundry on cold. Stains come out a little bit better that way for us. I do use vinegar for my fabric softener, and I use a homemade powdered laundry detergent. So, and I only use 1 to 3 tablespoons of, thank you. See, I got a helper. 1 to 3 tablespoons of detergent. If it's a full load, like I just did, I'll do 3 tablespoons. If it's a medium-sized load, I do 2 tablespoons, and if it's a small load, I do 1 tablespoon. So it's easy to remember, 1, 2, or 3. Oh, she's gonna take my camera away. Leave the camera, baby, come here. So if I have anything to soak, I soak it in my soaking sink. For my little ones, my oldest daughter is starting to do laundry. So what I did was put the amount for a medium-sized load in these small containers. And then I also have some smaller ones that just have the 1 tablespoon in it. So that way, if it's just like a small load, she can wash it, or if it's a medium load, then she can also wash it. So she just takes one of these, takes the lid off, and dumps the soap in, and then she puts her vinegar in, and we're ready to go. So having your kids help out as much as possible is extremely helpful and beneficial. Now, when my kids were all little, I did everything. And now that they're getting bigger, they can help me out with everything. So now that we have that all set and ready to go, I'm going to start my washer. Now, my washer for a big load like this takes about 45 minutes. So I kind of plan my day accordingly of what all I need to do before it's done. My favorite laundry baskets are these laundry baskets. They are awesome. We are extremely rough on laundry baskets, and these have held up. They are a Sterilite weave. They are awesome. They are super heavy duty. They hold up to all of our mess. And they're just fantastic. So that is my favorite. I have made my own laundry detergent for the last probably 7 years it's been that I've been making my own laundry detergent. And I have posted videos on that in the past, so you can go back and look for those. But it's awesome. We don't use dryer sheets when in the dryer. We do use dryer balls. These are our dryer balls. They're wool dryer balls. So this is what we use in our dryer. It helps dry things a lot faster. And she's seen a ball, so now she wants a ball. But these we toss in our dryer when we're doing our dryer load, and then we just remember to pick them out on when we are pulling laundry out. I pick them out, put them back in this basket, and then they go up here. Can you put it back? No, you want two? You want two. Yes, yes. Alrighty, so that is how we do laundry. We have a lot of laundry. I do at least one load of laundry every single day. And then on the weekends, I usually have to double up on my laundry loads because we have bedding to wash, we've got blankets to wash, we've got towels to wash, and those things I only wash once a week. So any of our towels that we use in the bathroom, we use them all week, and then I wash them on Saturday or Sunday. And same thing with our bedding. We usually don't typically change out bedding more often than once a week. Unless someone is sick. Like if someone gets a cold or something from school, then we will wash their laundry load a little bit earlier. Just because like if there's illness or anything like that, I try to keep things as clean as possible. But yeah, so I'm gonna wait for this to get done, and we're gonna go get a few more things done while we wait for that to get done. But yes, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. But yeah, subscribe, like, and follow my channel, and I will be back with more videos. Have a great day. Bye, guys.